Hey, thanks for tuning in. I had this article emailed over to me over the weekend from MSNBC regarding loan modification and some of the frustrations. And I think this is pretty typical of what's going on out there. Is a lot of this information is not known by the public, and we want to help get things, opened up and truth in advertising. Okay, so what we've done is we've taken this article, which is quite lengthy, a couple of pages, and we've taken them up on their offer to email it to us. So we've had the article emailed to us so that we can take a look at it a little bit easier. And here it is. Again, this is the link from MSNBC. And if you got a fast pencil or something and can write this down, you're welcome to go ahead and click on it and read it for yourself. But it goes through and basically, their representatives are talking to homeowners that are tense, exasperated, and looking for help. They're being denied mortgage modifications because they simply don't qualify. They make too much money, too little money, too much debt, or they actually don't live in the home. It's a rental property or something like that. So a lot of what's going on is confusion, and the government, the press, they all want you to think that the lenders have their arms open and are just waiting for you to call them so that they can lower your payments. Okay, it's not that simple, but they want you to believe that, and unfortunately, that's not the case. But here it goes on to talk about, they monitor how long customers have been kept on hold. That's a sad situation that they even have to monitor that. And I know that our people from the law firm and the people that are used to make phone calls, and their staff, they're on hold for hour and a half, with the different lenders, get hung up on, have to call back, got the wrong person after they've been on hold for a long time. So and then they get transferred and do it all over again. But it's not an easy thing um, for the attorney's staff either. So they admit that Obama's plan has lots of problems. The goal that Obama has set is for 4 million loans over the next 3 years, and that's a lofty goal. And they keep making changes to it. Documents are lost. They keep changing the rules in the game. But this 4 million, we're going to take a look at that a little bit down the road here, and see how bad that actually is. But for the new employees, this is kind of shocking here, in my opinion. But they've hired thousands of new employees, and they are admitting that it's far more complex of a task than they figured out. Okay, than they thought it was going to be, and they're dealing with millions of borrowers. Okay, who qualify for help. Uh, they are, confused. They're confused. They're overworked. They're not going to watch your file. Okay, they're not going to you know to to have that personal conduct that you need for your file. They're not going to run your financials before submitting. They're going to run those financials, and if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, which is unlike what is done at the law firm. So, um, they're one of the largest companies that collects payments, and they're lagging their competitors. They know they are. They steady rise in unemployment. They're taking 100,000 calls per day from troubled homeowners. Okay, 100,000 calls. No wonder they're exasperated here. So, but of course, the government, still insists that everything is perfectly okay and that they're all on track. If this kind of situation is troubling to you and you're either in that situation, I would suggest that you continue making phone calls as often as you can to find out about your file. You're going to have to be proactive in working it. If you would like some help, that's what we do. We're U.S. loan modifier, and what we pre-qualify homeowners, make sure that you fit into programs. If it's not Obama's program, you might fit into a different program that the lenders have, and because there are alternatives. Even if you have a rental property and are have an investment property, they can do modifications on those also. It's not talked about much, but they do have those. Um, and what we do is we work with several different law firms, and once you are qualified to move forward and you make that decision that you would like to seek professional help, we will then place you with a law firm that has a track record for helping people. So if you're interested, you can visit our blog, find out more information, more articles and stuff like that. It's at www.usloanmodifier.com/blog. Again, that's www.usloanmodifier.com. I left that part out, /blog, or just go straight to the website. There's a lot of information there also. So anyways, I hope to hear from you. If you're looking for some professional help, that's what we're here for. If you decide to do it on your own, good luck. I wish you the best no matter what your decision is. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.